This is a condensed problem walkthrough from our live streams. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. (206) reverse linked list. Given a head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. So if we have an input of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you return 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For example 2, if you have an input of 1, 2, you return 2, 1. For example 3, if you have nothing, you return nothing.
All right, let's go to OneNote. Let's talk about it in OneNote and see where we go. All right, so we're focusing on this part right here. Just make it a little bit clearer right there. We're focusing on the red part right there.
Okay.
So we have an out, a variable, where we're gonna store a node.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
And we're gonna initiate it to none. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna move temp1 to 2, right?
Uh-huh.
And we're gonna point temp2 to out, whatever out is. In this case, out is none. So this one goes like this. We're gonna set out to temp2. So now out equals 1. We're gonna move temp2 to temp1. Boom. Temp2, temp1. We're gonna move it. Temp2 is gonna point to out, just 1. Out equals temp2. We're gonna move temp2 to out. Yeah, temp2 will always go to out.
Okay.
And I think that's how you reverse your linked list.
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we're gonna set out to none, temp2 head and temp2 head, temp2 to head. So they're both like this, out is none.
Yep.
Temp2, we could temp that next, so we're gonna move it to the next one. And then we say, okay, temp that to the next point to out, which is none, right? Then we're gonna set temp2 out to temp2, so we can have a reference of the previous node.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So we're gonna move temp2 to temp. So now both of the temps are on node 2, and we iterate again. So the temp 1, we go to 3. Temp 2, right? It's gonna point to 1, right? And then out is gonna equal temp 2, which is 2. So out equals 2. Then temp 2 moves to temp.
I think
so now both of them are there.
There might be an issue. Oh, okay. Never mind.
Yeah. And then, our head. We need to move our head.
Head would equal at the end temp or temp2.
But temp. No, will equal out. I think so. No?
Yes. Wait.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna equal out. It's gonna equal out. I think so. Yeah, cause watch. Temp1, temp2, right? They're there, and then once they're there, temp1 is gonna go over here. Temp2 is gonna go over here, and out is gonna equal 3. According to our
equals
code.
temp2, and then temp2 moves. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, and we're gonna return.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, brother, you're a genius.
I'm not a genius.
This stream was your stream. I'm gonna call it Jose's Palace or Jose's Revenge, something like that.
No, not yet.
Oh yeah, you're right. Wait, no.
Oh no! Why?
With the 0. Oh. Hey.
Let's freaking go. Hey.
Good stuff.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Whew, scared me.
Damn.
I got scared. Why you may
Damn,
ask?
bro.
because of the example number 3 when it's empty.
Oh.
But it worked. So.
Well, because temp, right? Because head equals.
It's none. So head equals all.
Yeah, so temp equals head, right? And while head it doesn't exist, so it's gonna return null.
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro. Hey, we're actually one of the top solutions.
That was, yeah.
We're one of the top solutions. Alright, so just a little recap. We have to reverse a linked list, right? As you can see in the examples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In order to do this, we need 3 things: 2 pointers and a variable to store a node. Temp, both of those variables are going to start in head, right? Mm-hmm. They're all going to start at 1. And out, right, which is a variable, is going to be none. This out is going to be used as to store the previous node that we have to point at. So we enter while temp, right? Because if this while temp is going to loop all the way until temp equals none. So now for the first iteration, we go temp.temp.next. We move the temp, which is at 1 to 2. Temp.next goes to out, points to out, which is none, right? Out equals 2, so now equals 1. You see, because now 1 is going to be our previous when we move temp to temp, temp 2 to temp, which is 2. So now we have out equals 1, right? So now 1 is our previous. And it iterates all the way like that. Temp equals to 3, temp 2 points to out becomes 2. Then we move temp 2 equals to temp, now they're at 3. And so on and so forth until you reach 5. When temp equals 5 and when temp equals null, right? And then we have temp equals to out, which is 4. And then we move temp 2 to temp, which now both of them are none, and out equals 5. So since temp equals none, we stop this execution of the while. And now this thing is a fun part because now out is having 5. And since it's a reverse linked list, we have to head our head to the end of the linked list, which is 5, and then we return head. I kind of skip steps, but there's really just repetitiveness between all of those. So just the special cases is at the beginning and at the end. But yes, that's a little overview of the solution. Yes.
That's brilliant.
If you made it to the end and love to support us, please hit the like button. If you want to catch us live, turn on the bell notifications to be the first to watch. Don't want to watch a full stream? Don't worry, click here to see another walkthrough of a LeetCode problem from our streams.